Understanding the phrase, keep company with, in English. Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, keep company with. This phrase is not only interesting but also widely used in various contexts. So, if you're keen on enhancing your English skills, you're in the right place. Let's explore together what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Keep company with is a phrase that implies spending time with someone or being in someone's presence regularly. It's often used to describe a relationship where people enjoy each other's company and often seek each other out. This phrase can be used in both casual and formal contexts. For instance, you might hear someone say, "I keep company with my college friends on weekends," indicating that they regularly meet and spend time with their friends. To fully grasp the meaning, it's helpful to see keep company with in action. Here are a few examples. 1. Social context. After moving to the city, she found it important to keep company with people who shared her interests. 2. Advice. It's often said that you should keep company with those who inspire and motivate you. 3. Literary use. In literature, this phrase can add depth to a character's relationships or social choices. Like many phrases in English, keep company with has variations. For example, in the company of, this is similar but can imply a less regular interaction. Associate with, this is a more formal way of expressing a similar idea. It's important to note that the phrase can have different connotations based on the cultural and social context. In some cultures, keeping company with someone might imply a very close or intimate relationship. Always consider the context and the relationship between the people involved when using this phrase. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, keep company with. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds another useful expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is a window to culture, and understanding phrases like this one can greatly enhance your communication skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.